Good afternoon, everyone. This is my sustainable lifestyle project. My name is Tyler Grove, and in this project, I will be choosing 3 different ways I can make changes into my life that will allow me to reduce my impact on the environment. The changes in which I decided to make to my lifestyle last week were divided into 3 categories: eliminating my car usage, no heat in my household, and reducing my water usage and water consumption. Reducing my heat usage was actually fairly simple. The days I chose to reduce my heat usage were Monday and Wednesday, and I chose these days because I thought it'd be easier for me since I'm out of the house most of the time on Monday and Wednesday for school and work. What made this lifestyle change so difficult is because I live with 4 other roommates. I sat down and talked to them and told them all about the lifestyle project that I've been doing, and asked if they could participate in it 2 days out of the week by not turning on the thermostat and all of us leaving it off all day, Monday and Wednesday. I brought up some valid points and told them that not only would we be saving our money, but we'd be helping the environment by reducing the amount of gas burned to heat our households. The days I chose to avoid driving and completely eliminate my car usage were Monday and Wednesday. I chose these days because normally I'm accustomed to driving to work, and I always do. I did some research and I found that 1 gallon of gas produces 19.64 pounds of carbon dioxide gas emissions into the atmosphere. I also found that my truck gets an average of 25 miles per gallon, and the distance between my work and my house is 1 mile. By doing some more calculations, I found that commuting back and forth from work produces a little more than 1.5 pounds of CO2 gas into the atmosphere, and by not driving to work both days and walking instead, I was able to reduce my CO2 gas emissions by 3 pounds, which I found was really cool. For my last category, I chose water. This one actually surprisingly was the hardest for me to do. I hate to admit it, but I'm guilty of taking very long showers. Not too long, like 10-15 minutes, but still much longer than it needs to. After doing some research, I found in an average home, showers are typically the 3rd largest water use after toilets and washing machines for clothes. The average shower faucet has an average flow rate of 2.1 gallons per minute. I came to find out that my 10 to 15 minute showers that I was taking every day was using anywhere between 21 gallons to up to 35.5 gallons of water. By reducing the time it took for me to shower from 10 to 15 minutes to 3 to 5 minutes, I was able to save between 15 to 21 gallons per shower. Including both days, Monday and Wednesday, my total water saved, just by reducing my shower time, was anywhere between 30 to 42 gallons. This honestly shocked me a lot because I was able to put in perspective just how much water I was wasting by taking these longer showers. I learned a very important lesson while doing this lifestyle project. Not only are these changes that I made very simple, but the impact that they make on the environment is huge. The interesting thing about this project is I found myself being much more aware and conscious. It's almost as if I care more, which is a good thing. I find myself, even on my off days, taking much faster showers. Maybe not exactly in the 3 to 5 minute range, but not as long as 15 minutes anymore. Up until this lifestyle project, I didn't realize how much water I was wasting on a daily, weekly basis, and I find myself caring much more. Not only does it make me feel better knowing that I'm not wasting nearly as much water as I used to, but in the mornings when I'm taking quick showers, I'm actually saving more time, so I have extra time in the morning to get ready for class and school. I'd like to give a shout out to my roommates for complying with me and participating in this lifestyle project with me as far as avoiding our heat usage. By not touching the thermostat and leaving it off all day, Monday and Wednesday, we significantly reduced the amount of gas burned to heat our household, and we saved money, which is a win-win. And by eliminating my car use, not only was I able to reduce the amount of CO2 gas emissions into the atmosphere by 3 pounds per week, but I was also able to walk an extra 4 miles a week, which is good exercise and just healthy for me overall. I'm honestly so happy to have had the opportunity to do this lifestyle project because it's really opened my eyes to how big of an impact these simple changes have on our earth. To the best of my ability, I'll try my best to continue implementing these changes into my lifestyle.